Hello friends, today we will teach you about Magic Crate. This is a very interesting activity. We will start with Scanimation. So we get we'll show what are the parts first in this. You can see this is the booklet for Scanimation. So these are the activity which will show you how this can be scanned. He is organizing the parts. So we have some sheets in this, some line sheets and some images. So we don't know what has to be done, but we'll try to make it. So the first action is in this particular activity we are learning how persistence of vision can be used to create animation. So this is what is the activity, and we learn science and problem solving skills from this activity. So we can continue. So we'll start with these two activities. We have inside the crate these parts. We have one book. You can see this book, and we have a frame. This one is the frame, and we have a story grid. So you can see that story grid, and we have some handles, green color handles. We have some rivets, okay, and we have some glue drops. This is in the same packet, and we have a thin grid. You can see this is a thin grid, and we have a thick grid. So we have two type of grids which can be used. So you can see here we have some thin grids. You can see this is kind of not fully transparent, but it's transparent, and this is the other part. Okay, so we have some base. So you can see these two bases we have, and we have some cards, so which we need to just punch out and use, and then we have some tape to be used. Okay, so these are our parts. So first step is this is of two steps. First we make the understanding of the phenomenon of this Scanimation through the book, and then we will apply it to create our own stories using the frame provided. Okay, so we'll open the book. Can you take this Scanimation book? And now you need to take any page of the Scanimation book, any page of this book. Okay, and you have to use the thin grid. So this is the thin grid. You can see this is the thin grid. You have to keep on your page and just try to remove it down, pull it down slowly. Okay, then again keep it up. Okay, now you slowly slide this to the right. Okay, you can see some animation. You can see? No? Yes, you can see. Now you will slowly slide the grid to the right. So you keep on this side first, keep on this side, and slowly slide it on your right. So you can see something, it's happening. Can you see this image is coming alive? Yeah, you can see this. So this process is called Scanimation, and your brain transforms this drawing into fluid animation according to the process of retinal persistence.
Second part is about creating your own story, and let's create our story by Scanimation. Now you can choose any 4 cards. Out of these cards you can choose any 4 cards. Okay, now you have the 4 cards. Now each card can be connected to other using the elements in the picture. So you can arrange the cards in a sequence to create through the element of the pictures, and there is no right or wrong sequence. You can make your own story. Okay. So what is given here? There is one story here. First they have kept a card of clouds, trees, bicycle, and road. In the second one they kept a card of a girl riding a bicycle. In the background they have road, they have a tree, they have clouds, and in the third card they kept clouds, then some heap of soil and some road. Okay, and some machine is digging activity. Okay, and then later there is another photo with help of some kind of balloons, some clouds, and again some road, some heap of soil. So these are all connected. Okay, so you have your story ready. Now we'll go to the preparation of the base. Okay, so here is the next step, the preparation of base. To prepare the base, you need to take this two items, this is the black color, two items. Okay, you can see this, and you need to join them together. Keep them on the table and join them. Okay, perfect, beta. This is correct. Okay, now you will have a single item like this, right? Now in step 2, you have to fix your story on the sequence in the base. So you have to keep the story. You have to bend the cards and keep it on the base. Here goes the second card. We are folding the sides and we are just putting it. I think this is your third card. Here, this is your first card, right? Okay, the first card goes with be careful. Okay, I understood it correct. Second card. Here goes the fourth card.
So here we have our cards ready. Okay, we have completed the step 2 and we fixed everything on this base. Now we'll move to the next step. This is about preparing the grid. Okay, there's some issue with the okay. So now we prepare the grid. So we need to first take the frame. Okay, and we need to put the grid line, and you need to insert the rivets. So we have these two parts. We just keep it like this and we'll put the rivets. Can you take your rivets? These plastic rivets, yeah, you can take this. So you have to remember, like only the plastic rivets you need to use. You have to put it from the bottom, yeah, correct, and then turn it, yeah. Are you able to twist it? You can press it hard. You just press it hard. Keep on the table and press it hard. Are you able to rotate? Try the other side. Try the other side. Try the other rivet. Okay, I have to press it. Correct. Yeah. Similarly on the other side. Keep it on the table and press. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Some more pressure. Exactly. Yeah. So now you can flip it. Yeah, this is something you have made ready. Now you need to apply some glue drops also here. Okay. So So you can take 2 glue drops, just 2 of them, okay, and you have to apply it on the sides. You can see the sides of the, yeah, just lift that up, and then on that paper you apply, paper side you apply, center, in the center you apply, exactly in the center, okay. And stick this and press it for some time, okay. Same you do the other side also, exactly in the center you have to apply. Press it. So we are done with our so it is stuck within the edges, okay. So we are done. Now we have to make the step 4. You need to attach the handles. So just press and take out the handles, okay. Doing good. Okay, now you have to do it is insertion from the side. Yes, correct. Be careful. Perfect. Do it for the other side also. So we have now next step is we have different ways to play. So the first one is we have to keep the base on the table, okay, and you have to push it from left to right. Slowly you can push, and you can see the story. You can see everything is started moving. All your items, it will be making moving state. Okay. So this is how you can do it. Okay, just ensure it's moving smoothly. Okay, so you can have this stick to the wall also with help of stickers, and then you can change the photos and cards as per your wish, and you can make the story about animation. And very important point is you need to keep this on your eye level to see this animation. Okay, so from our side we would like to wish you, and you can do this nicely at your home and enjoy this activity of animation, and we call it Scanimation from Magic Crate. Thank you.